Well, the sun goes down and the evening comes, and you're all alone in the darkness, hoping what you find is harmless, and you're losing all your breath. Well, that old cat's gonna bite your head off, and then you'll die so slowly. That escalated quickly, but you can't outrun your death. I gotta run and hide. Here I come. He's the cartoon cat, the one and only cartoon cat, killing everybody. Stop doing that. He's the one and only cartoon cat. Can you hear the throat of danger? Run, run away, get away. Well, you scream so loud, and the cat meows. He's the size of one big human. Over your head he's looming, and you're losing all your breath. If you try to run, where are you gonna go? If he's faster than a bullet, don't even think about it, you're full of it. You can't outrun your death. You know it's something like this. Put my mind and we'll keep it together for the sake of my life. When it will go be like